Hello friends, welcome to BioGoogle. In this video, we will be discussing about the timetable of CSIR joint UGC NET examination, mainly for the science subjects like life science, physical science, mathematical science, earth science, etc. And meanwhile, we will try to understand how to download the CSIR-UGC NET admit card for the examination to be conducted on 3 respective dates. Okay, so as per the notification given by the NTA, the exams of the CSIR-UGC NET will be conducted on 3 different dates in the November. One is 19th November 2020, next one is 21st November, next is 26th November. In that, in one day they have made 2 shifts, shift 1 and shift 2. It means they have divided the total number of candidates into different smaller amounts so that they can reduce the pandemic spread in the country. That is why they have made 2 shifts. Okay, so the shift will be mentioned in your admit card. Right, here we have on 19th we have earth science, atmospheric, oceanic and planetary sciences in a shift 1 and physical science in a shift 2. And on 21st we have a life science group 1 in shift 1, life science group 2 in a shift 2. Similarly, we have a chemical science in shift 1 of 26th November and mathematical science in shift 2 of 26th November. Right. Before going to download the admit card, they have given some of the instructions. Let us go through the instructions. First one, the admit card is issued provisionally to the candidates subject to the fulfillment of the eligibility conditions. That means the admit card is just provisional to the examination. Okay, it's not the final decision at all. Next, admit card will not be sent by post. Here we have to go to the NTA website and respectively download the admit card. Next, candidate must not mutilate the admit card or changing or any entry made therein. It means the admit card should be as downloaded in the from the website. There should not be any change of the date and center in the admit card. Lastly, candidates are advised to preserve a copy of admit card in good condition in further references. It means during examination and even after examination we are supposed to keep the admit card till the submission certification of our CSIR NET certificate. Right. So now we will see how the admit card is being downloaded. They have given a website, that is csirnet.nta.nic.in. So we have to click on that, or else search in the Google, we'll get the website. Directly I will click on that. Then it will redirect to another page. So here we can download the admit cards. So remember friends, for downloading we must know the application number to the download card admit. So better open your application form and see the register number or application number. I'll click on it. So here is the page where we can download the admit card. Right. So here we are supposed to enter application number, date of birth and lastly the security code given as in the menu. Right. I'll just type my own application number. So next I'll just enter my date of birth. I am born on 1st July 1993. I'll just add that. So the year when I born is 1993. No problem if you know all that. Enter the security code. The security code given here is 5K, right, 5 capital K, then 8739. Yes, it's done. Then you can press submit. Yes, but after this they have shown the application number and the name successfully, but here we have to allow some of the permissions. We have to write some of the permissions to the examination authority so that they can control the pandemic. So undertaking submitted successfully, then we have to click download admit card, click on it. So when you press this undertaking button, you will have you should allow some of the permissions. It means you should provide some information about the health conditions, right? They have given one of the symptoms like fever, cough, breathlessness, sore throat, etc. If you have any of such symptoms, you have to click on those symptoms if you have those in last 14 days, right? Then they have given in B, been in close contact with a confirmed case of COVID-19. Then you have to select and you should put yes. Then not been in close contact with a person suffering from COVID-19 and not under mandatory quarantine. If yes, yes, or else no. Lastly, traveled in the following cities, countries in the last 14 days prior to arriving at the center. Means if you have traveled to different cities before entering the examination city, you should mention the name of those cities, right? Then lastly, I will press submit. Then it will redirect itself to the download. So the admit card will be downloaded, right? Here we'll go through the admit card and see what are the details given on the admit card. So it's about roll number, candidate's name, father's name, gender, category, etc., date of birth. Lastly, they have given about the test details. I mean, which subject you are applied for, when was the examination, what is the time of the examination. Then lastly, the venue of the test is given. That's not a problem. Here again you have to tick after taking printout all those details which we have entered in a application form during download. Like if you have fever, tick, cough, breathlessness, sore throat or runny nose, body ache, etc. Right? Then if you had a person in contact with you in the last 14 days, again you should tick. If not, tick here. If you have traveled to many cities, you should mention the name of the city and date when we were there on the city. Lastly, you should attach your passport size photo which was applied on the application form. Then you should put your left hand thumb impression and your signature, and lastly the parent signature. So guys, that's all about your downloading admit card and the examination center and how to be ready for the NET examination. I hope you can download the admit card and you will be ready for the examination which was to be conducted on those 3 dates. Okay, I think this is enough for this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you feel like the video was useful, share the video with your friends, and thank you one and all. Bye bye.